Hey, this is LSFT here today, and today we're here to look at this press release from Toyota Canada. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada celebrates 10 millionth vehicle. A very special vehicle rode off an assembly line at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada on August 12th. The vehicle is a Redline Lexus NX350H hybrid electric SUV, and that was the 10 millionth vehicle produced by TMMC, a significant milestone for the 30-plus years of manufacturing in Canada. The TMMC opened in 1988 in Cambridge, building 153 Corollas, and it actually took 11 years to produce the first millionth vehicle. So now TMMC in Canada is Canada's largest automaker and leading maker of electrified vehicles. So electrify means the hybrids vehicles. And then they actually produce about 500,000 Toyota and Lexus vehicles for the North American market every year. They employ 8,500 people and recently added the Lexus NX hybrid to the production lines. TMMC is one of the rarest assembly lines in the world, where they produce 2 Lexus models outside of Japan. So congratulations to TMMC for the 10th millionth vehicle produced. And obviously the 10 million vehicles is definitely very important. And when you look at this photo, you would see that this vehicle is actually the first vehicle produced at this plant. And now this red NX is the 10 millionth vehicle produced. But if you have a sharp eye, you would notice that the Redline Lexus NX is an F-Sport. And in this news article, they said this is an electrified NX, and it's the NX350H. But then North America doesn't have this option available. So does that mean that this is actually a 2023 NX350H? And that the 350H will actually have an F-Sport option, which is currently not available in North America. So are you excited if this is the case? I'm not sure if this is an error or not, but it does look like this is highly possible, since in Europe, Australia, and other places in the world, an NX350H F-Sport is available. So most likely, don't take my word, that this could be something that's possible in the second year of this second generation NX. So leave the comments below if you would actually pick an F-Sport NX350H over the normal NX350H. And that's it. This is a short update that I saw and just wanted everybody to be aware that this may be possible coming in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. You can also press that bell icon to get alerted when new videos are out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers.